friends, welcome to governmentjobspreparation.com. My name is Preeti and today our chapter is Time and Work Type 1A. Okay, let's see the questions. Our first question is A and B can do a piece of work in 10 and 20 days, and this is the statement, and these are the four questions based on this statement. In examination, statement can be given that A and B can do a piece of work in 20 and 30 days, 15 and 25 days, etc. Okay. Now here statement is two person are there, A and B, those can do a piece of work in 10 and 20 days. Let's start the question. First question is calculate their work efficiency ratio. A and B. A can complete the work in 10 days and B can do that work in 20 days. First of all, we take the multiple of these two numbers. We'll take LCM. LCM would be 20. Whatever LCM we will take, that would be the total work. Right? This is total work. And we have to get the work efficiency ratio. 10 is 2 times of 20 and 20 is 1 times of 20. A is 2 times and B is 1 time. It means the ratio is 2:1 and this is the answer. Right? Let's start second question. Second question is in what time they can do double of the work. A and B 2:1. A plus B in what time? In what time they can do double of the work. It means in what time they together can do double of the work. A and B is equal to 3 and total work is 20, but we have to complete double of the work, that is 40. So the question is in what time they both can do double of the work, that is 40. So it means when we solve this, we get this is the answer. Right? Now third question is A started the work and worked for 5 days. A started the work. It means 2 into and he works for 5 days. It means 10 days he worked. Right? This much work has been done by A. Right? Now what was the total work? Total work was 20 and this much work has been done by A. It means 10 work is remaining. Right. Now the question is after that B entered. Calculate in what time they together finish the work. Now B entered and we have to calculate that time they together finish the remaining work. 10 is remaining work. Now we have to calculate in what time they together A and B, and we get, so this is the answer. Right? Now fourth question is A and B started the work. A and B started the work. Before finishing the work, A left 5 days before. Right? It means, let's see, this is the work, right? And 5 days before, A left the work. So this work can be done by B. So B has done that remaining work. So B worked for 5 days. B is 1. B worked for 5 days. Out of 20, B has done this work and remaining work is 15. Now the question is, calculate in what time A and B together worked. We have to calculate this time when A and B together worked. This work has been done by B, that is 5. Now this work is 15 because this is remaining work, right? And this work has been done by A and B together. A and B is equal to, that is 3. So when we divide it, we get 5. So this is the answer. Okay. A and B can do a piece of work in 10 and 20 days. दो पर्सन है A and B. A किसी काम को 10 दिन में खत्म करता है और B उसी काम को 20 दिन में खत्म करता है. हमारे पास 4 क्वेश्चंस गिवन है इस स्टेटमेंट पे. पहला क्वेश्चन है, कैलकुलेट देयर वर्क एफिशिएंसी रेशियो. A and B हमने लिए. A किसी काम को 10 दिन में करता है, B उसी काम को 20 दिन में करता है. इनका एलसीएम सोचेंगे. मिनिमम एलसीएम लेना है, दैट इज 20, राइट. 10 20 के 2 टाइम्स है और 20 सिर्फ 1 गुना है. तो जो रेशो होगी वो होगी 2:1. यही हमसे इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा था. कैलकुलेट देयर वर्क एफिशिएंसी रेशियो, दैट इज 2:1. Next question is, in what time they can do double of the work. Total work is 20 and they both are 3. Double work would be 40. 40 divided by 3 and we get 13 1/3 days. So the answer of second question is 13 1/3 days. Now third question is, A started the work and worked for 5 days. A ने काम शुरू किया यानी कि 2 ने. उसने 5 दिन तक काम किया यानी कि टोटल काम कितना किया, इतना. After that B entered. B ने एंटर किया. Calculate what time they together finished the remaining work. वो टाइम बताना है जब उन्होंने बाकी का बचा हुआ काम पूरा किया. ये काम किसने पूरा किया था, A ने. कितना काम बचा, टोटल वर्क 20 था. 20 में से 10 A ने कंप्लीट कर दिया, 10 बचा. उस 10 को वो दोनों मिलकर इतने दिन में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. तो आंसर ऑफ थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज 3 1/3 days. Fourth question is, A and B started the work, but before finishing the work, A left 5 days before. A and B दोनों ने काम शुरू किया लेकिन 5 दिन पहले, काम खत्म होने से 5 दिन पहले A ने छोड़ दिया. यानी कि वो 5 दिन B ने काम किया होगा. B कितना है, 1. 1 into 5, B ने इतना काम खत्म कर दिया. हमें वो टाइम निकालना है जिसमें A और B ने दोनों ने मिलकर काम किया था. इतना B ने खत्म कर दिया तो इतना बचा 15 डेज. वो 15 दोनों ने मिलकर खत्म किया था, तो उन दोनों ने कितने दिन में खत्म किया, 5 दिन में. ये था हमारा टाइम एंड वर्क टाइप 1A.